Welcome back people, you are watching Top 5 in 5 minutes and today we are going to talk about the top 5 most weird and strange addictions ever. So let's get right into it. On number 5 we have a woman who is addicted to eating drywall. 26-year-old Nicole is eating her own house. She pulls out hunks of drywall from her own home, leaving holes sometimes 3 feet wide. And she is done this from last 7 years and she eats 3 square feet per week. According to the Nicole, she does it because she loves the smell of the drywall, the texture, the taste, everything about the drywall. According to the Nicole, it started all with a chalk. She first eated a chalk and then find drywall is better than the chalk in taste and texture. She eats drywall 6 times in a day and she has also no control on it. Wherever she sees the drywall, she start eating it, whether it's her friend's home or grandma's home. So this was the number 5. Now let's move towards our next countdown, which is number 4. Moving to the number 4, we have this beautiful lady, but wait, she is addicted to drinking nail polish. Yuck, it's really weird. Her name is Bertha and she is 23-year-old. She drinks about 5 bottles of nail polish every day. She particularly likes the flavor of blue or anything with glitter in it. She even has different ways of enjoying this unique addiction. She sometimes drinks directly, sometimes sipping and sometimes taking shot or licking it from the tiny brush. And she is done this from last 5 years. Doctors said her if she don't stop doing this, she will definitely die because her ear has got seriously damaged by drinking nail polish. According to Bertha, if she get a 1 liter of bottle filled with nail polish, she can finish it in just 5 minutes. So this was the number 4. Now let's move towards our next countdown, which is number 3. Moving towards number 3, we have another lady who is addicted to eating toilet paper. This is really insane. Her name is Cassie. Toilet paper is supposed to go on one place and not in the mouth, but Cassie has been eating toilet paper for years. In a week she eats at least 4 or 5 rolls of toilet paper. And even in movie theaters, when people are eating popcorns in movie theaters, Cassie is found with a toilet roll in her hand. She is from UK and has an age of 32-year-old. She is the mother of 5 children. According to Cassie, she loves the dryness of the toilet paper and that's why she eats it. This addiction of Cassie started when she was 25-year-old in her pregnancy. In these 8 years, Cassie has found no problem in her health, but her family members are seriously nervous about this addiction of her, especially her sister. So this was the number 3. Now let's move towards our next countdown, which is number 2. On number 2, we have this broken heart lady. Now why she is broken heart? Because her husband passed away. But what happened after that? She started taking her husband's ash everywhere, and not only that, she slowly started eating that. 26-year-old Cassie is unable to stop herself from dipping her finger into her husband's urn of ashes and taking a lick of the grey dust. According to her, she first tasted the remains of her husband's shaman when she transferred the ashes from a temporary cardboard box into a special memorial urn. Cassie says the ashes tasted like rotten egg, sand and sandpaper. In 2 months, Cassie has eaten about 1 pound of ashes. There are now only 5 pounds left. So this was the number 2. Now let's move towards our last but not least countdown, which is number 1. And finally we are at number 1. On number 1 we have this woman enjoying her drink. But wait, it is not a cold drink or something else, it's a urine. Yes, it's a urine. Karen is a 53-year-old woman who is suffering from a cancer. For this, some people would try chemotherapy, but Carrie is trying something completely different, drinking her own urine daily. The 53-year-old woman, Carrie, drinks her own urine in what she believes is a foolproof way to battle her cancer. And she is done this from last 4 years. She has also washed her eyes with it and brushed her teeth in urine. According to Carrie, it tastes like water to her. Carrie drinks about 5 glasses of her urine in every day. Her addiction has started when she first drank her urine in the morning 4 years ago, and from that it's continued. So that's it guys, these were the top 5 most weird and strange addictions ever. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe because we provide information in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember